Hey guys, Emerald here, and today I am finally back playing some Minecraft. So I heard about these SMPs that have been going on, so I thought, what if I could do something similar? So I created a Minecraft server, and I made this character. I did the best I could do. You could play some video games on him, and, well, I like the colors. I might change it up in the future. So anyway, let's hop right into the Minecraft server, shall we? Alright guys, here we are in the server. And here's my character again. Anyway, here's my house, my bed, and my stuff. It's mostly the best I can do so far. Anyway, let's take a look outside. So this is what my house looks like on the outside. It's pretty good, and here's Tommy right here. I'm still working on a name for the dog. So guys, if you want to join this SMP, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see what I can do. Now, the real question is, what should I call this SMP? How about the Hollow SMP? Yeah, that's pretty good. And I also created a Discord server for it too. But let's take a look around. So yeah, it's mostly forest out here, but maybe someday when new members join, we could either do survival challenges, Minecraft role plays. Pretty good. And here's the spawn point. Made it myself. Aw, I was hoping there would be a chicken in there. Chicken. Let's avoid the bee, shall we? So, if you guys want to join the SMP, let me know in the comment section. Well, just click the link down below so you can join our Discord. And I think I'll end the video here. So guys, welcome to the Hollow SMP.